Well, hopefully we'll be able to see at least one Mazda move, and we get to see Willie try to climb into a race car. Hey, that's where it went.
Right in there with the steering. I'm scared to climb it. Probably snakes.
You're afraid there are snakies?
I'm a little bitch. Okay, I'm not little, but I'm still a bitch.
Race car life. Sometimes there are snakes.
I'm glad I grew up watching Dukes of Hazzard. Too bad they didn't use a Mazda, so I know how to get in this little bitty motherfucker.
Getting out should be easier. Still runs, fired up like a champ. Let's see if it still drives. The steering wheel won't go on?
Too much rust
on the hub?
the shaft. That might need a little PB.
Yeah, I might need a little PB blaster.
You're gonna want to move.
You bringing it back?
Hey, my phone was on the top of the car.
Oh. Hey, your OBD2 scanner is over here.
Yeah, yeah. I might have got a little
Excited?
excited. Sorry. Not sorry.
Sorry, not sorry.
If there were snakes in here, they're damn sure not happy.
That's true.
I gotta figure out how to get this thing. Let them.
Doesn't look broken. Surely they won't say just because it's a dual overhead cam when it has like 100 horsepower. Next is to try the Buick, right?
That felt like I hit fucking hard.
You did hit pretty hard. Oh, should I? Just for the video.
Alright, we gotta open the hood on this one.
Yeah, hold on. Let's transfer everything to the
one that's not gonna be running.
Yeah, the one that's not going to be running or ran into. Yeah. Yet.
Maybe.
Dodge Neon.
Any snakes in here that are pissy? There's no battery in here.
Is it in the Mazda?
No. This is side post.
Is that going to be a problem?
Shoot up wires.
Looks like they just got through the covering. I don't think they actually got to the wires. But I don't know how much of this is from before we even got it.
Yeah. Most of that's not necessary.
Most of it probably doesn't run anything anymore. We cut out most of the wires.
Yeah. Side post.
Side post. Nope, we're going on an adventure. It didn't care at all. It was just like, yeah, we're gonna run. It doesn't matter. I've been sitting here for 20 years. Not really, but little belt squeal. It's fine.
You wanna grab the jumper cable?
Oh yeah.
Well, I turned the tire. I threw it in the
Okay. Up, he's going to get in the car again. Hold on, let me step back here so I don't get murder-rated. Because there's a 100% chance he's going to gun it again as soon as he can get the steering wheel on. No. Driving like normal, of course. Opens fine, the seals were sticky.
I don't want to keep crawling in and out of this window.
Ah, that makes sense.
Lazy. Get off of me.
He had to put the e-brake down so he didn't poke him in the ass.
Yeah. Stop.
Belt, you can stop squealing now. I pulled my camera out because I said there was a 100% chance you were going to floor it again, and then you just, no, you didn't.
I don't even know if the keys are in this one.
The original one.
What started it all?
What started it all. Someone gave us a car and, well, they gave you a car and bump and run. Well, let's start with no battery, and the Mazda's probably got a fine alternator. I also half expected you, while pulling up to the Buick, to hit their bumpers together and just sling mud everywhere by doing a burnout.
No, because I was afraid I'd pop up and go through the radiator.
Oh yeah,
The last thing
that
I
would
want
be
to
a
do is
problem.
the radiator in either one of them.
Yeah, yeah.
How good's the alternator on the Mazda?
Maybe good enough to start the Buick with no electronics. Does that door open?
Just, you know, scoping.
Hashtag crackhead shit.
Blinker's on. It's not blinking, it's just solid.
The fan's working. One of them.
Yeah, I think I'm on wire.
Oh, okay.
It's hot wire.
Of course it is. Come on, Buick.
Prime the fuel pump. I remember this thing like that.
Yeah, and that's
Battery gauge shows charge.
really enough. That should be fine though. It's not. Oh my god. I forgot we wrote Rembo on it. That's stupid. Better ground. Hope that doesn't contact anything.
Only option is take the battery out of this one.
Yep.
I don't think I have anything inside to.
Do you even have the bolts for it?
They should be on the car somewhere, but I don't see them. Okay, so the Buick's gonna need a battery,
and a big ass wing.
a stock air breather,
Yep.
or something that appears to be a stock air breather. I don't give a shit if it came from a Buick or not.
Passenger side brakes on the front.
Passenger side front brake rotor, probably a caliper.
Yeah. It's like because the caliper's missing, right? Or is
No,
the
the
rotor
rotor's
missing?
missing.
The rotor's missing.
But I figure that'll all be pickable. I ain't spending no money on it.
Well, yeah.
This had an issue, but I think that was because I was trying to use that ghetto screen instead of an intake.
Yeah.
So an intake probably wouldn't hurt to do plugs and wires on both of them.
If we're going to enduro race them, why ever would you say that?
I gotta find out if I can even get this one to pass the test. I didn't realize I still had AC lines on this bitch.
Yep.
Huh. Oh, I didn't take the compressor off because
Then you'd have to get a different belt.
I want to say I ordered the belt. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I just talked about it.
Did it run alright under full throttle? Like when you just peeled forward, was it doing the same issue you were having? No, it was just
but
working.
That was a very intermittent thing.
Ah,
so
okay.
it's,
So doesn't mean anything.
Brillo pad.
Why?
I don't
Okay.
For as much as I've beat on this motor, it still sounds. It's got 220-something thousand miles on it. And the last few have
Were
been me just being
pretty hard
a complete
miles.
asshole.
Yeah. Boy, if we crash these, it's gonna fucking hurt.
You don't think like that.
There's so much water in the back of it.
If we finish the race, it's going to be cool.
Yeah, if we finish the race, it'll be awesome.
If we can get both of them in.
If we can get both of them
I've
in.
already said it, so now I'll be, if we can't, I'll be finding another one, or I'll be putting that bitch together in 2 months.
Message them and just be like, does that include, when they said local rules, just be like, does that include no dual overhead cams? And if they're like, no, dual overhead cams are fine as long as they make less than the horsepower of your typical blender, we're fine. At least one Mazda ran today.
Both of them started.
That's true. Our RX-8 started once.
This is going to take
Yeah.
so reliable.
Just not enough.
Gonna do it.
She ain't gonna do it.
Okay,
You don't think opening the throttle a bit on the Mazda might give it a fighting shot?
I don't know.
Nope. Would the neon be top post or side post? And does it have a battery in it?
Radiator's bone dry on that one. But that doesn't surprise me.
Do you hear me?
Huh?
Would the neon be top post or side post? And does it have a battery in it? No battery.
If it does, it's probably absolute garbage.
Well, we just need enough to hook the jump pack to, right? What about the jump pack and the Mazda? Or hell, even just the jump pack.
Got that soft race car.
Yeah, that's what you want. That way you don't hurt your tushy on turns. Is there a beer can on set?
Yeah, we were shooting with BB guns, remember?
Oh yeah.
I am not.
One shot with the jump pack?
It ain't gonna do it.
You don't think?
It's just hard. do it?
The car has less. An alternator puts out less cranking amps than a jump pack does.
Go get it.
It's right there.
That one?
Well, it wouldn't be the one at my house, now would it? That'd definitely do it. It started the Mazda. It might start all reliable. It's like walking on a cloud. Both. Why not both? But Willie, if you buy another race car, what number will it be?
I don't know, you're driving it, so
Oh yeah.
I guess it's up to you.
Careful now.
It just clicks louder.
Oh, it's doing the reverse flow warning on it. Yep, because it's detecting that it's getting juice. Yep. There you go. Nope. Damn. Oh, reliable. All reliable, man. Got to prime the fuel pump.
May need some starting fluid.
We have some. Ouch.
Starting fluid.
Starting fluid. Alright. Try it with starting fluid. After resetting the jump pack because it's a piece of shit.
Drink, you slut. That sounds good.
Yeah. It's one of those factory sounds. Yep, I don't think it has gas in it. Ain't got no gas in it. Or did the jump pack start being stupid again? What the hell does that mean? Overheated?
I hope not.
No, I meant the box. No? What the hell's the beep beep?
I don't know, but it's not happy about it. Sparked that time.
That's a good sign.
Fans are on. About stuck my hand in it.
Don't do that. So literally it takes the jump pack to get enough juice. But it did start.
It's not good. I'm not satisfied.
I understand. Much like many of my ex-girlfriends, you're not satisfied. Okay. Do you need to open the throttle blades and spray some down its throat?
Ain't got gas in it.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Nope. Gonna have to fix the gas tank.
Yep.
Unfortunately,
That's gonna be probably the most pain in the ass part. I'm still saying fuel cell. If 5 gallons like $50 on Amazon, you think we can get a 3 gallon? That wouldn't last the endurance race, but well, it might. It's what, 37 miles?
Wide open.
Wide open, yeah. Also, I suppose they haven't seen the true beauty. That his... You crammed all the interior back in it, didn't you?
And to run a fuel cell, I'm gonna close in the trunk back there.
Okay.
It has to be...
We'll need a block off plate then.
It has to be mounted properly.
Yeah.
Block off from the cabin. And then we'd have to have a fuel pump. It would just end up being more money than it's worth.
Okay, so pick and pull gas tank, got it.
We're literally just fixing this one.
Do we know what's wrong with it?
It's got a hole in it.
Oh, it actually got a hole hit in it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, your stripes came off.
Yeah, oddly enough, duct tape isn't all it's cracked up to be.
At least not the colored stuff.
That's racist.
No. Purple people aren't people.
Oh.
And that was purple duct tape. Purple people are people eaters.
Place for that. Place for that. No?
Where'd you go?
Really?
No, seriously, where's it go?
Fucking kidding me?
Ah. I couldn't see the bright yellow clip. I'm a little slow today.
I wish my yard was a little bigger.
Yeah.
Whip shitties.
Yeah. To be fair, you have enough room to whip shitties if only had one. If you only had one. But where would the fun in that be?
Garbage.
Race car. What?
That's gonna, so this car's ready to go.
Yeah,
Like it needs
a battery.
a wheel and tire. I don't even know. It might hold the charge once it charges.
That's true. Yeah, because it's on a donut,
It needs a wheel and tire.
which probably won't last wide open for 150 laps.
It needs
Some PB blaster on the damn
window net on this side.
hub. Window net. Now your check engine light's on. Is that gonna be a problem? It's still there, right? We checked it. Why didn't it go off?
Probably something to do with all the shit that I cut out of this thing.
Did you leave? You left the OBD2 port?
Yeah, that's how I was doing live data in my
Oh,
last race.
yeah.
Dickhead.
I can't fucking remember, man. I've drank since then. Kind of a lot.
Race car life. ghetto.
Oh yeah, that's still ingenious.
Those are seatbelt buckles out of this car.
And it works.
Self-tapered to sheet metal and bolted to nylon.
And it works great.
Yeah. Works
for the most part. I think you're supposed to close this part in the door.
Yeah.
Yeah. That no longer opens.
Yeah.
I wonder why.
Some asshole in a derby car hit me during a race.
Yeah. They say rubbing's racing, I guess.
Damn NASCAR.
It's still got straighter body panels than the Buick does.
Yeah, the Buick
took a beating. Yeah. I wondered if you were going to shut that.
Huh?
I wondered if you were going to shut that. Is that where it lives now?
Oh.
What? Stuck? And the battery's even still good. Also, I loved your tree trimming service. There's a caterpillar freaking the hell out on your wing.
I wonder why.
Like, get me out of this place.
Pull on the handle.
I was gonna say, what are the should I unchain it first?
No, that
Okay.
way it doesn't break your arm if it does come open. Ready?
Not really, go ahead. What about a pry bar down here where it caved in?
Now the inside's caved out.
Well, that's a good sign. That's a start.
That gives me more room.
Yeah, that's leg room.
Hip room.
Hip room, yeah.
Room to be hip.
You want to try a couple more times, or? There we go.
Now,
Will it close again?
I got a shifter in my tank.
Oh, yeah, that's good too.
Unchain it
Yeah.
so I can get the fuck out of here.
Oh, they're not attached.
No, wrong car.
Oh, yeah. It doesn't even look that bad. What are the odds that that latch was just rusted?
No, because it happened in the middle of a race.
That's true. That hit the window net, I'm pretty certain. Now, will it open again?
No.
So, it bent just enough to open and then bent back? Yeah, the bottom's not really moving. That's why I'm saying if we take pry bars and stick in here and kind of bend it back, maybe that'll... It just so happens you have some of those.
work at a body shop.
Yeah.
I know what I'm doing.
Yeah. I trust you.
That might be the dumbest thing you've ever said.
Is the latch sticking?
No.
Because why is it opening once and then not again?
Because I'm popping it loose.
Okay.
And then when I close it, it catches. I'm not sure really which part is
bent the wrong way. What about we get it open and then have at it with a hammer?
That I'm not sure that I have here.
It's the very bottom. The other option is just take a pry bar with you, but I'm thinking...
Yeah, if the car's on fire...
It's that. Like, yeah, because it's just when it gets completely shut.
Nobody said you have to latch the door all the way.
Yeah, but that'd get annoying after a couple laps. If that works. It worked twice. So we're getting there, making progress.
Oh.
What's up?
It bent this. The door's dragging. You can see where it's...
Oh, so we do need a hammer or something heavy.
Yeah.
Or what are the odds that kicking it would work? Probably not.
We're not kicking that
not very good.
actual structural part straight.
Moped? A jack? I don't know. There's got to be something in all this scrap metal.
The whole goddamn crankshaft.
That'd work, but boy, you'd be tired afterwards.
I bet it wouldn't take more than
one, maybe two.
Small block Mopar crank. I work at a body shop. I'm a professional.
Yep.
Try this at home.
The bad thing is he's not kidding.
I'm not a professional, but I do work at a body shop.
You get paid for it. I didn't know you were going to jump back like that. Fixed.
So I keep Mopars around. Fix a Mopar to fix a Mazda.
To be fair, the RX-8 didn't start until we hooked it up to the Palomino. So far you are 2 for 2 on Mopars fixing Mazdas.
Wow. That's all it needed. Don't worry about the Flintstone.
The lovely part is that could have been done
At the races.
pretty much any time.
Somebody at the races, the dude offered, he said, "You want me to get the hammer and fix that?" And I said, "No, it's part of racing."
Yeah.
Because the dude that hit me was parked right next to me.
Yeah.
We got back and he's like, "I didn't mean to hit you that hard." And I was like, "That's fine." And I climbed out the window and he goes,
Door not open?
"Now, you want me to fix it?" Nope, race car.
Just trying to make more leg room, hip room.
Yep.
Have you tried using a crankshaft?
I don't want to carry that fucking thing again.
Why is there still styrofoam in it?
Because I couldn't be bothered to take it out.
It's styrofoam. You just pull real hard.
Yeah, but it don't weigh nothing, so it didn't matter.
That's fair.
The 3,000 pounds of wire I pulled out of it. And then all the wire I left.
Yeah. Still wants to try. It was in gear.
No.
Oh.
No. After working on it and starting it every once in a while, I think it'll be fine.
Yeah. That's how you can tell it's a race car. Quick detached steering wheel.
That's why I put it on there.
Yeah, because it's a race car. Does race car shit.
What's gonna upset me is, well, I don't know. I was gonna say I'm attached to this one, and now I'm gonna end up getting in that one to race it. But I think once I get that one started and start playing with it, it won't really matter.
You were real disappointed when it didn't start.
Yeah,
oh, that closes easy. At some point, we'll actually hammer
that out a little better because it's still catchy.
Remind me at some point. I have a pretty decent sized hammer at my house.
All the rest of them still work, I think.
Yep. For all those back seat passengers.
Yeah.
James would do it.
Yeah.
His mama would kill me. Does this wing even have a brand?
Amazon special.
How much was it?
$50.
We should get one for the Buick.
It need to be bigger than that.
I don't know. I think it'd be pretty funny. Just a tiny little spoiler on it. Then you can get a sticker that said Lil Wang Gang.
Is my phone still on the neon?
No, it's in my pocket.
I got busted inside of my lip doing some of this dumb shit there.
Was it the hit with the Buick?
Very well could have been. But I felt my tooth rub against it just now. And
Not pleasant?
That cut on the inside of my mouth. I wasn't prepared for my own chaos.
Yeah.
I am Mr. Chaos.
An agent of chaos. Or no, you're not an agent. You're full damn chaos, that's for sure.
Got to protect my racing seats from UV rays.
Yes.
So that's a NASCAR certified seat protector.
Is it? I thought it was Sparco.
It's Sparco branded, but it's NASCAR approved.
Also, don't forget that along with protecting from UV, that also protects from like snakes.
No, it don't. It protects from water, which is actually what I care about. I don't like sitting in a car and having a wet butthole.
Yeah. That sounds unpleasant.
Yeah. You know what else is unpleasant? I want to
Drive it?
race.
Yeah. I want to go fast.
The fender was too straight. I didn't like it.
Is there anything? That one's pretty straight.
That's fine.
Okay, that one's fine. It was just driver's side you didn't like.
Yeah, I have to see the driver's more.
Yeah.
All I'm saying is if we get to run both cars.
That caught perfectly.
Yeah. If we do get to race both cars.
Yeah.
And I come up behind you.
I'm getting put into the wall.
I won't intentionally put you in the wall, but I am going to run into you.
Oh yeah, for sure.
If I am given the option to hit my own car with my car.
There's that, by the way.
I'm going to do it.
Yeah, I fully expected.
And I fully expect you to do the same if you come up behind me.
Yeah, see, here's the thing. When you asked me which car I wanted to drive, the thing that worried me is I want to drive the Mazda because it's a manual and it's a little light Mazda. But I'm worried that one good hit, there won't be a Mazda anymore. And I know that if you come up beside me, I'm getting hit.